Meet our Plush Washables collection, where soft texture and style meets real-life performance. These rugs are crafted from 100% polyester and power loomed, which makes them incredibly durable while still having that luxurious designer look and feel. One of my personal favorites from the collection is the Cranbury Washable rug. It features beautiful textural detailing and comes in a range of versatile colorways, from rich, darker tones like green and blue to softer neutral palettes like cream, gray, and sand. There's truly a look for every home. The unique plush design of this rug adds character, while the high-density pile pampers your feet. And the best part? These rugs handle everyday messes with ease. Just pop them in the wash and you're good to go. Discover the Plush Washables collection, along with a wide range of performance-driven styles at rugsusa.com.